How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So if you want to add multiple photos in your Instagram story, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with the upper left, which has your story option. Tap on it and then go with the camera. And now simply take a background, like I'll be choosing a black background. Once you've chosen, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that stickers option. Once you tap on stickers, now here you will have photo option. Tap on photo. Once you tap on photo, it will take you to your gallery. So you just need to simply choose a photo and you can simply enlarge it or you can adjust the size. And after that, again go with the stickers, which is on the upper right, and then go with photo again and choose another picture and again add that. And again go with the stickers, which is on the upper right, and tap on photo, and in this way you can add a bunch of photos. So that's how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.